Look, we've been telling you about this for months. Student loan repayments, they resume this month, but some borrowers are now running into major issues with their loan services.
Fox 43's Tyler Hatfield joins us now in studio with more on how 19 states, including Pennsylvania, are asking the Biden administration to step in and protect these borrowers. Right, Tyler?
Yeah, Sean, Jackie, you're exactly right. 19 state attorney generals, including here in Pennsylvania, signed this letter to the U.S. Department of Education to, quote, express serious concerns about the challenges of this process and impending harm to federal loan borrowers in our states. Now, student loans have been paused for 3.5 years because of the COVID-19 pandemic, but now 40 million borrowers are getting ready to pay them back. But they're running into some major issues. The state AGs say in the letter, the problem arose when many loan servicers opted out of the business entirely during the pandemic. This left a majority of borrowers with new servicers who state AGs say are not prepared for the volume of new accounts. Many borrowers right now are experiencing account errors such as lost paperwork, incorrect loan balances, and delays in communication. However, the most common problem is when borrowers reach out to resolve their issues. The state AG's letter says many borrowers are regularly given hold wait times over 60 minutes, and that some have been quoted hold wait times exceeding 400 minutes. Now, despite these problems, many borrowers are still seeing interest piling on to their accounts.
I'm a father of 5, so, a lot of money that would have gone to stuff like that, have outings, a little extra stuff from the groceries, just to make sure that the student loans are paid off.
State AGs wrote because of these servicing issues, borrowers should have their student debt placed in non-interest-bearing administrative forbearances. That means borrowers should not have their loan accrue any more interest until these problems are resolved. Now, the 19 AGs who signed this letter still applaud the effort of the Biden administration when they made to protect borrowers who miss monthly payments in the first 12 months of repayment from credit harm and default. But they still think more action is needed and more safeguards need to be put in place. And I mean, so far in the newsroom, my friends at home, everyone, this is a common problem everyone's facing.
You mention it, and everybody has their own types of problem. I mean, you went through some of them. I just can't get over if you have one of these issues and then you try to call to get a question answered, to try to resolve it. You can't get through, and like you said, that interest is still building. It's still coming up, still ticking up.
And the big problem, too, is we've been warning people to watch out for scams during this time of year, now that the payments have restarted. We're really 2-3 days in now, because even though it was the first, a lot of these didn't go through until Monday. 3 days in, scammers know they can take advantage of this, so you want to talk to someone on the phone, and like you said, 400 minutes, that's over 6 hours.
And Jackie, you had a great point earlier. They had 3.5 years to really prepare for this moment, and I don't see it really coming to fruition right now. So hopefully something will be done.
All right, thanks so much, Tyler.